In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable Opera Browser VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Opera has inbuilt VPN that can help you securely browse. So if you want to turn this option on, it is available for you. Or if you no longer need to search privately using your VPN, then I'll also show you how you can turn this option off. Do this, go to your Opera browser, and then go down to the profile icon here, and this will open this profile. Go to settings icon to access Opera settings. As you can see, we have the VPN here. Currently it is disabled, which means my search is not private. To turn on VPN, just tap on this. If you toggle this, it will turn on VPN on Opera. So I'm told here enabling data saver will switch off VPN, so this has to remain turned off if I want the VPN to stay enabled. However, if your VPN was enabled and you'll wish to turn it off, toggle off here, and you'll have disabled your VPN on Opera browser app on your smartphone. So that's how you can turn on or off your VPN on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.